Whatever you think I'm doing, you're wrong. Let me introduce you to my favorite natural hair recipe, because after 4 months in a protective style, my hair needs lots of TLC. In a bowl, mix together 1/3 cup of Amla Powder to strengthen hair, 1/3 cup of Brahmi Powder for scalp health and dandruff prevention, 1/3 cup of Tulsi to reduce hair shedding. Add hot water and mix until the consistency is of pancake mix. Keep adding water until it's the right consistency. Two cups of coconut milk to hydrate hair. It's also high in protein. 2 tablespoons of castor oil rosemary blend for hair growth and scalp health, or use an oil of your choosing. I'll go start my wash day and leave this mix to cool and thicken. Then I'll apply it as a hair mask on freshly washed hair. On freshly washed hair, I'll apply this hair mask like I would any other. I'll put on a bonnet and heating cap and let my hair absorb the nourishing benefits. It has both protein and moisture benefits to leave my low porosity hair feeling well balanced. I usually do a DIY deep conditioner like this once a month and use a cream deep conditioner for other wash days. I love adding a DIY natural hair recipe every so often because they help maintain scalp health and retention without breaking the bank. Though, keep in mind that this mask tends to get messy in the shower, but it leaves my hair and scalp feeling healthier, so I don't mind too much, but you might not love the cleanup. If you enjoyed this video, watch my full post-protective style video, which will be posted next. Like and subscribe to be notified when I upload. I'm still figuring out my posting schedule, so I don't have a set posting date yet. I know I said I'd post my crochet videos after my braid wash day video, but I'm still working on editing them, so I decided to take out my braids earlier than I planned because I missed my curls. If you're interested in seeing my knotless braid takedown process, stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.